Hello everyone, magandang oras sa ating lahat. Welcome to my videos. Maraming salamat sa panonood at lalo na sa mga nag-subscribe. Thank you guys, at kung bago ka pa lang dito sa ating videos, huwag kalimutan mag-like, comment, shares, and subscribe para updated ka sa aking mga bagong upload na mga videos na mayroong magagandang kasaysayan at talaga tungkol sa ating mga barya. Guys, ito yung 25 cents ng Netherlands, mayroong taon 1978. Ang tawag nito guys ay Netherlands Antillean Guilders, 25 cents. Sa ating guys sa Pilipinas ay nagkakahalaga ito ng 812.1350. So bago ang lahat guys, tapusin muna natin ang kanyang short history tungkol dito sa kanyang status dito sa ating baryang ito guys ng Netherlands. Ang tungkol dito guys, tapusin muna natin para malaman natin ang tungkol dito sa baryang ito guys. Ito yung laman ng ating 25 cents guys ng Netherlands. The 25 cents was a coin worth a quarter of decimal Dutch guilder. It was used from the decimalization of the currency in 1878 until the Netherlands adopted the euro as sole currency in 2002. The last minting was in 2001. The coin was the third smallest denomination of the guilder when the currency was withdrawn, and the largest of a value less than 1 guilder. The coin was minted with a layer of silver alloy during the reign of King William III of Netherlands. The coin became smaller from 1877 onwards. New size of the coin would be the final size except during the German occupation at the Netherlands when the coin was much bigger from 1948 onwards. The coin was minted using nickel. Its last design originated from 1980 with the Queen Beatrix as the monarch on its covers. It was nicknamed the Quachi, word for a quarter or quartz, and the diminutive suffix or ge, similar to the English. So yan ang kanyang short explanation tungkol dito sa barya natin guys. Dito naman guys ang ating features. Itong baryang ito guys ay ang issuer nito ay Netherlands. Meron siyang si Queen Juliana 1948 hanggang 1980. Meron siyang time na standard circulation coin at mayroong taon na 1950 hanggang 1980. Ang value nito guys ay 25 cents. Ay nagkakahalaga dito sa Pilipinas ng equivalent to 812.1350 guilders. Ang 25 guilders ay nagkakahalaga ng 812.1350 sa Pilipinas. Ang kanyang currency ay golden and decimalized 1870 ang until 2001 ang kanyang date. Mayroon siyang composition na nickel. May timbang siya na 3 grams at 19 mm naman ang kanyang diameter. Mayroon siyang thickness na 1.61 mm. At ang kanyang shape ay round. Mayroon siyang technique naman. Ang orientation niya ay coin alignment. Na-demonetize na ito guys noong February 28, 2002. Mayroon siyang number na A number 656, reference number KM number 183, and show number 67. Ito yung obverse natin guys. Ang mukha ni Queen Juliana. Ang portrait of Queen Juliana facing the right. Meron siyang script na Latin at ang kanyang lettering ay Juliana Koningin DAR or DIR or Netherlanden. Translation, Juliana, Queen of the Netherlands. So, ang engraver niya guys si Ludwig Oswaldo Wickham-Fox. At ito naman guys ang ating reverse or ang likuran. Ang denomination, divided, date, at sides, mayroon siyang crown sa ibabaw at the top. So ang kanyang script ay Latin, mayroong lettering na 1978 25 cents. Ang kanyang age ay reeded. Mint naman ay Royal Dutch Mint. Koninklijke Nederland. Month. Utrecht, Netherlands. 1010 ang kanyang date. At ang Royal Mints, Lantrisan, United Kingdom. 1968 ang kanyang date. Meron siyang marks dito guys. GWA and Van Hengel Mint Master, Royal Dutch Mint. 1945 until 1969. Marius van de Broekhoff, Mint Master, Royal Dutch Mint, 1969 until 1980. BCHIG Smith, Acting Mint Master, Royal Dutch Mint, 1969 until 1980. Comments of the coins dated 1980 is 25 million were minted by the Royal British Mint in 1981. So ang ating 1978 guys, meron siyang 20% ang kanyang population sa out of 35 million examples. 20%. Meron siyang extra fine na 9.50 centavos. 9 pesos and 50 centavos. About uncirculated is 26 pesos. And circulated is 61 pesos. So dito tayo guys sa ating AB Selling Online guys ay mayroon siyang naka-display guys na 1978, 25 cents na no grade. No grade coins ay 21.54 US dollar. Sa atin guys umabot ng 1,270 pesos and 86 centavos. Meron din tayo guys na proof coins ng ating 1978 guys na 25 cents. At naka-display rin ng 74.99 US dollar. So sa atin guys, umabot ng 4,424 pesos and 41 centavos. Ganon ang displayan guys sa ating Selling Online guys. Sa baryang ito guys ng Netherlands. So huwag niyong baliwalain guys ang ganitong uri ng barya guys ng Netherlands. Dahil ang value nito sa Pilipinas ay umabot ng 812 pesos and 13.50 sa Pilipinas. Yun guys, maraming salamat sa panonood at God bless sa ating lahat.